Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For this video, I wanna tell my argument about this house will ban political campaign on social media. Okay, let's go to the video. The development of technology in communication influence human life both in the terms of economic, social, cultural, and also political. The political sphere is pretty much affected by communication technology itself. Communication is very important and necessary in politics and is one part of political activity itself. Political campaigns themselves also often use communication media in them. Online media, social networking or social media as a communication technology product are quite widely used in election campaigns. Technology is developing quite rapidly and has led to the emergence of so many new media that have an impact on the social life of the community. One area that is pretty much very dependent on communication technology is the political field, because it's the field of political communication is very important in politics. One form of political activity known to many people at large is a political campaign. In this case, the campaign itself has been divided into several categories, such as the legislative campaign, the presidential campaign, and also the campaign in the regional head election. What is also very interesting to observe is the shift in the form political campaigns carried out by the candidates in the campaign, like Facebook, MySpace, LinkedIn, or Twitter. With nearly millions of the world community have joined together in the various types of social media assets. Social media has very much influenced human life. This is a positive impact or the reason why using social media for a campaign. 1. Strengthening effect. One of the first steps in the planning political communications is to identify the main message of the campaign. This message is then conveyed through offline and digital channels such as print media, door-to-door, town hall, meetings, and debates on television. This effort plays an important role in creating communication and raising awareness in the minds of voters. But what happens to the message in this debate and campaigns if it just goes away? This is where social media plays its role. Document, remind, and strengthen the message to the public. 2. Establish a personal connection or to many. Cory Booker, mayor of Newark, New Jersey, has more than 1.1 million followers on Twitter. His figure is known to be ambitious in utilizing social networks. This mayor has successfully established personal connections with tens of thousands of people. Although not all candidates are able to utilize social media widely, Booker's success story illustrates one of Twitter and Facebook most powerful features, namely quick access to several targets as well as campaign media. People want to be heard, while social media give them space to voice their opinions directly to those they are aiming for candidates. The public also wants to share things that are meaningful to them. as well as patterns to influence opinions, and again with social media. All of those things becomes possible when a politician reaches the individual directly. The connection with the public and constituents becomes far than a handshake when campaign. 3. The available device now make it easy to deliver message. When social media was relatively new, the time need to design, and distribute message content was a hard burden. For most campaigns that lack labor, this challenge is very heavy. 4. Build the ability to respond. Crisis can emerge at the end of the campaign period. Suddenly a negative issue circulates, which attacks and certainly has the potential to reduce the level of electability. Number 5, not just for communication. When people think of social media, they usually think of it as a mere communication tool. Thus, there are many valuable things from the use of social media, more than just broadcasting message and engaging directly with people. And in the negative impact of the campaign through social media, in the use of social networks, many unscrupulous persons misuse information networks that are published to the public so that they appear black campaigns. The recent black campaigns involve the media as intermediaries to deliver messages that are actually outside of political ethics. Terminology black campaigns can be interpreted as campaign in a evil way carried out to bring down political opponents with issues, ratings, or image that are not in accordance with the facts in order to harm and bring down others. But in the perspective of political ethics, legally black campaigns are part of the campaign that is prohibited in the Act. As affirmative in Article 84 of Law Number 10 years 2008 concerning election of president and vice president, it is stated that campaign rules are prohibited, which prohibit a number of campaigns as follows. The campaign must not question the preamble of the 1945 Constitution. Campaigns must not be conducted to endanger the integrity of the Unitary Republic of Indonesia. Campaigns should not be carried out by insulting someone, race, ethnicity, religion, class of the candidates, or other election participants. The presence of social media as a campaign media guides the public to be smarter in responding to existing political issues by upholding political ethics as a mirror of a virtuous society in the eyes of the world and loving peace. The presence of social media as a campaign media guides the public to be smarter in responding to existing political issues by upholding political ethics as a mirror of a virtuous society in the eyes of the world and loving peace. The conclusion is the success in an election is not only influenced by the effectiveness of campaigning through social media, because direct interaction with the community is more necessary to keep a distance between the leader and the community, and the readiness of a leader to directly solve problems that occur in the community.